Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to cornrow this new hairstyle so you can do it on your child, on your sister. So I thought of this style for a long time before I tried it out. I hope you guys will watch it from beginning to the end. So let me not waste your time because I know you want to see how it's done. So to begin with, her hair is freshly washed. I normally wash with shampoo and conditioner. I also put in leave-in conditioner to untangle her hair and make it even more washable. Okay, so this helps her since I rarely blow dry her hair, since the blow dry mostly damages her hair compared to styling it. So the leave-in conditioner that I normally use is the TCB leave-in conditioner, the one that contains cocoa butter and coconut oil. So leave-in conditioner is very important since it leaves the hair moisturized. So first, before you do anything else, you need to part the hair in between from beginning to end. Then you cut out sides. Now I was making cornrows on the sides. You can also clip off some hair to avoid mixing of hairs while you cornrow. So in the next cornrow, I'm going to explain to you step by step on how I make my daughter's cornrow, and it's very easy. I believe most of you can learn just by seeing, just like me. I learned by looking at other people cornrowing. So the first, number one, the section out the part that you want to cornrow. Also untangle it as much as possible because untangling will make your cornrowing very simple. Cornrowing on hair that is not untangled it can be very tricky. If you have ever done this, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, number two, apply gel on both sides of the cornrow and brush it out with a brittle brush. Now this will make the part soft, and it will also avoid the white or black spots that are left with most gel that we know of. Now you can use any gel that you prefer, but please do not forget to brush it out with a brittle brush because this will avoid the hair looking whitish or blackish. We don't want that on our baby's hair, do we? Now, feel free to pause or repeat where you don't understand, but I think I'm trying to explain as much as I can. Okay, so what I normally do, number one, I section out the hair. I section the front part of the hair into 3 pieces. Okay, I'm going to repeat. I section out the front part into 3 pieces. Okay. After that, I start taking hair from side to side going backwards. So you can see my hand taking hair from side to side. Try to take a small amount of hair as you go on, and make sure your hand is on the scalp as you take the pieces of hair. Try as much as possible because we don't want our cornrows to be loose and looking unkempt. No, so try to take it from the scalp as much as possible. Okay, so you can even add some gel as you continue because this makes your work even easier because it makes the hair softer and even easy, and it even looks neat as you continue to cornrow. So when I finish doing my daughter's hair, what I normally do, I apply coconut oil. You can apply any liquid oil on your child's hair. So what this does, it unfreezes your baby's head, like it makes it to be, what can I say? Yeah, like it reduces any tension caused by you plaiting your daughter's hair. So by tomorrow your baby's head will feel better and not too tight. Yes. So you can check there as I cornrow step by step. I take sides slowly by slowly. You take hair from each side. Yes, you take hair slowly by slowly. Don't be in a hurry, especially if it's your first time. Don't be in a hurry. Just cornrow side by side and make sure that you have untangled that piece of hair as much as possible. Okay, so when I finish, what I normally do, I try to cornrow the piece of cornrowing braid as to the farthest part, so that I can protect the edges of the hair. You know, the edges are the most important part of the hair because they are the ones that can move on. They are the oldest part of the hair. They can be the longest or the shortest. So we can either maintain them or break them. So make sure you try to maintain them as much as possible. So I'm going to leave you to continue watching, but at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how I finish my baby's cornrows, and I hope you try this hairstyle and you tell me how it came through for you. Send me a comment or send me even a picture of your baby's hair and I'll be glad. Okay, so when I finish, I like to bead her hair, but you can see how beautiful it is. Bye.